here is our diagnostic cart. We've got our smoke machine looking for intake air leaks, we're running lean. We have our manometer tester, which will tell us if it can run lean or what the AOS is doing, because it can create problems just the same. And then we have our very expensive Porsche diagnostic tester. And what we're going to do is, as we've discussed with the electrical problems or anomalies with mirrors, seat heaters, fog lights, you name it, windshield wipers, any electrical problem on a Porsche should first be looked at by using a vehicle handover. You don't want to go into diagnostic. You don't want to go into any other process other than a vehicle handover. So let me do that with you while we do it with our tester. Now, we are in simulation mode, but it's a good idea to go ahead and, because I don't want to do it with a real car at the moment, because it's a little different when you're putting in VINs and it takes time. So we're going to, first of all, since we're not connected, we're going to manually put in what car we have. So we're going to run it on a 996, and it is now setting itself up. Normally, it's very important that you have it recognize the car. And it won't do that here. We'll go into simulation mode. Obviously, my VCI or vehicle communication interface is not connected, but I wanted to just give you a quick idea on how we do this. You want to go into additional menu. Now, let me explain. PIWIS 3 really isn't meant to be connected to a 996. And if you go to a Porsche dealership, they don't use the PIWIS 3 and now PIWIS 4 that's coming out on a 996. What they're going to use is a PIWIS 1. Porsche has recommended that the dealers get a PIWIS 1 and that they use that. That hasn't been out for years, but it's what works with the older cars. So let's get back to the screen and I'll show you what we're doing. It's going to ask if we want to create a vehicle analysis log. I'm going to say no, because I want to run a vehicle handover. And it's going to change its display, and it's going to ask us which one of the items, whether it's a vehicle handover log or a vehicle handover. I'll show you that here in just a moment. Since it's switching over, you'll see we have a log and a vehicle handover. I've selected handover and next, and this is how it starts. It's creating a handover log first. Please wait. And at least it tells the human that it's doing something. Because otherwise we would be wondering, like with the older Porsche testers. It's populated with a VIN number. ZZZ is a European car, but it's a European tester. So we're going to go, yes, that's the right VIN. Is it correct? Yes, it is. And then once again, we will continue. And then it will say, basically it doesn't even say it's finished. It puts it in a lineup of all of the other VINs, and that's it. That's its vehicle handover. All right, and you can print and select that log, and this will be what you want to use. So I hope that helps you. Please don't let somebody run expensive diagnostic on your Porsche if it has an electrical problem, windows not dropping, again, fog lights, seat heaters, windshield wipers, all kinds of things. Anything electrical, run a vehicle handover first and run it once, twice, 3 times. Keep trying. And if that doesn't work, then you got to go in for some diagnostic. Thank you.